Let us know when you are ready.
Hello. Hello. I can see Wanarusi. Nitakuja kuna mbuzi. Mchinjwa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Central Committee meeting of ODM, which has met most of this morning. We have discussed several issues, and we have a statement that is going to be read to you on our behalf by the Secretary General of ODM, Honorable Edwin Sifuna. Karibu Mheshimiwa.
Thank you, Excellency. Good afternoon, everyone. As the party leader has told you, we have had a meeting of the Central Committee. It has been full house, except with the apologies of Deputy Party Leader, Honorable Ali Hassan Joe, who is in Mecca. So this is a statement. We have had a meeting of the Central Committee, which is the top decision organ, making organ of the Orange Democratic Movement Party. This meeting took place against a backdrop of ongoing efforts to reinvigorate the party through various activities, including but not limited to the holding of grassroots elections. There are also a number of emerging and running national issues affecting Mwananchi, among them the crisis in the health sector as manifested in the ongoing doctor strike, the crisis of funding in our schools and colleges, and the scam of subsidized fertilizer. The committee meeting therefore took stock of the state of the party and that of the entire nation. A key issue canvassed at this